Good morning. It's Gold Beach Automotive bed crane install. This is a Harbor Freight Haul Master something or other. Customer brought it in and said that he wanted it installed in his truck. Well, here we are. The factory plates that it comes with are junk. Please, please, please don't install it attached to the bed with the factory plates that it comes with. I'm sure if you've done a little research, you can see it. There's many videos online of people installing these and they just don't hold up in the bed of the truck. It seems like they're installing them somewhere around here and then they just fold. They bend right over into the bed and just bend the piss out of the bed. So please, 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 again, do some homework. From my prior knowledge of these cranes, they need to, distribute their footprint in a much larger fashion. In order to do so, I used a 3/8 aluminum plate. It's roughly 30 by 36 inches in order to accomplish the overall task here. And it just bolts down to the, you can kind of see the ridges in there. It's hard to see, I know, excuse me, but it's a big long backing plate here, same with on the top there, big long backing plate, and there's a big 6-inch here, big 6-inch there, about a 3-inch there, and another 1.5 by about 6 inches long here, and that all grabs a bigger footprint for the back and for the bottom of the bed to make it more secure. I also put a ATV winch on it per customer request. Just wired it up and ran it through the bed, all the way into the bed. The control box is right here underneath the corner in the back. I'm not going to get under there right now, but again, I just wanted to show you guys my crane install, and I think it came out pretty nice. I definitely would not go for the 1,000, 700, 600, and I definitely wouldn't do 500 out that far. So I think I'm going to rate this thing at about 500 usable pounds, because simply put, it just can't take much more than that. There's not much that you're going to be able to do out there without using an entire plate that covers the whole bed and putting this thing right in the middle and securing it with 15 bolts. Or building a bracket that goes through the bed to be able to weld to the frame. But then again, that may entail taking the bed off. That may entail custom welding, specialty welding, backfilling, especially with the frame that's factory welded frame. That's never a good idea in my eyes here. I don't like to weld to factory frames unless it's a fully custom, like 4x4 truck build or something. This is a daily driver. It's a 2004 Dodge 1500. But again, we're focusing on the crane here, not the vehicle. This will work in just about any vehicle as long as you do this backing plate of some sort, whether it be steel or aluminum or whatever you choose to put on there. Doesn't really matter. So again, I got this little remote for the winch. It's a Harbor Freight winch. Oops, I pushed the on-off button again. And there she'll be. Crane install. Just wanted to show you guys a little thing. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. And again, we'll see you again. Gold Beach Automotive.